A great way to get lots of free traffic is to do guest blogging, and guest blogging is where you write blog posts for other people's blogs. Now the key here, as with all most of the videos that I've made so far on this topic of free traffic, is quality. You have to provide quality content, and quality content will make a blog owner thank you for your content, and they'll most likely invite you back, and most importantly, the readers will love your content and will click on your links in your resource box. Now, so let's just go ahead and take a look at some sites out there where you can find blogs that are looking for guest bloggers, and there's plenty of them. You could do a Google search, but let me just show you three of them. Here's the Guest Blogging Network. Just go to guestbloggingnetwork.com. There's bloggerlinkup.com, and there's blogsynergy.com. Now you can also approach popular blogs that may not be in any of these networks. You can approach them directly and offer them your content. And the key here is when you're contacting these popular blogs is to not look like you're begging, but to act as if you're hooking them up with content. So make sure when you contact the blog owner that you let them know that you're going to give them some good quality content, and to not look like you're looking for some traffic.